Hello everyone. In this session, we'll explore how AWS Data Pipeline can automate the movement and transformation of your data, enabling you to create efficient workflows and streamline your data management processes. What is AWS Data Pipeline? AWS Data Pipeline is a web service designed to automate the movement and transformation of data across various AWS services. It allows users to create data-driven workflows that execute tasks based on the successful completion of prior operations, ensuring effective data processing and management. Key components. Pipeline definition defines the core logic of your data management tasks, specifying what data needs to be processed, how it should be transformed, and the sequence of operations. Written in JSON format, allowing for flexible and detailed configurations. Pipeline scheduler manages task execution by creating Amazon EC2 instances as needed to perform the defined work activities. Once you upload your pipeline definition, you can activate and edit it as necessary, allowing for dynamic adjustments to ongoing tasks. Task runner polls for tasks that need execution and performs them accordingly, handling operations such as copying data to Amazon S3 or launching Amazon EMR clusters. You can either use the pre-provided Task Runner application or create a custom version. Functional overview. AWS Data Pipeline is particularly useful for orchestrating complex data workflows. It supports various scenarios, ensuring that tasks are executed in a specified order, with dependencies managed effectively. Use cases and examples. Data ingestion and archiving. Scenario: a web application generates log files every hour. Implementation: schedule a task to copy these log files from Amazon EC2 instances to Amazon S3 daily. Benefits: ensures logs are archived for long-term storage and easy access for future analysis. Data transformation and processing. Scenario: a company collects sensor data from IoT devices in JSON format. Implementation: create a pipeline that reads the raw JSON data from Amazon S3, transforms it using AWS Lambda or Amazon EMR, and stores the transformed data back into S3 or a data warehouse like Amazon Redshift. Benefits: enhances data quality and makes it more actionable for analysis and reporting. ETL, extract, transform, load, workflows. Scenario: an organization needs to populate a data warehouse with daily sales data from multiple sources. Implementation: use AWS Data Pipeline to extract sales data from Amazon RDS databases, transform it, and load it into Amazon Redshift. Benefits: streamlines data preparation for analytics, ensuring the data warehouse is updated regularly. Machine learning workflows. Scenario: a business wants to train a machine learning model using historical sales data. Implementation: use AWS Data Pipeline to gather and pre-process sales data from various sources and invoke an Amazon SageMaker training job. Benefits: automates data preparation, enabling easier model training and retraining with fresh data. Scheduled reporting. Scenario: a finance department needs to generate monthly expense reports from transaction data. Implementation: create a pipeline that runs at the end of each month to extract, process, and save the final report in a specified S3 bucket. Benefits: provides timely insights into expenses, facilitating better budget management. Data backup and disaster recovery. Scenario: a company needs to back up its important data from an RDS instance to S3. Implementation: set up a data pipeline that runs daily, exporting the data from RDS to S3 while ensuring data integrity through checks. Benefits: ensures data recovery in case of failures or data loss. Integration with other AWS services. Scenario: a media company processes video files and generates thumbnails. Implementation: automate the workflow to copy video files from S3, process them with AWS Elemental Media Convert, and store the resulting thumbnails in another S3 bucket. Benefits: streamlines multi-step workflows, reducing manual intervention and accelerating content delivery. Interfaces for management. You can manage AWS Data Pipeline through several interfaces. AWS Management Console, a user-friendly web interface for creating and managing pipelines. AWS Command Line Interface, CLI, allows management through commands, suitable for automation and scripting. AWS SDKs, language-specific APIs that simplify connecting to AWS services and handling requests. Query API provides low-level API access to manage pipelines, suitable for applications requiring direct interaction. AWS Data Pipeline is a versatile tool for automating data workflows, enhancing data management, and supporting various data-driven applications. By leveraging AWS Data Pipeline, organizations can streamline their operations, improve data accessibility, and make more informed decisions based on timely and accurate data. Thank you for watching.